This is just crazy. Hey guys, I am back. And for those of you guys who don't know who I am, my name is Ken. I do beauty, obviously. And excuse the squeaky chair. Today we're going to be talking about this Beauty Creations color wheel. It's called the Dare to Be Bright color wheel. And I believe this is supposed to be a PR package, but a website called Glam Raider sells them like this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but anyway, this is excessive. Do you need it? Maybe. Probably not. But as someone who does beauty, social media, and just creative makeup in general, I think this is just fun. I think it's really fun. I've done a couple of challenges, you know, doing like different combinations. If you guys would like to see that, it's on my TikTok and my Instagram. But today we're going to be talking about the 3 different formulations that you get in this color wheel. So you basically get 3 types of formulations. You've got sort of like this eye pigment, kind of like an eyeshadow base. And then you have this in a pot, which is kind of like a cream eyeliner. And then you also have a regular pencil liner, which again you can use pretty much anywhere on the face, which is why I think this pack is very handy for the makeup creatives out there, or if you just like to play around with different makeup. Let's start off first with this like cream base formula. Again, a little goes a long way with these. Very pigmented. If you'd like to use them as an eyeshadow base, they are perfect, as you can see. And this is like a lighter color. Usually lighter colors like this just do not show up on my skin tone, but as you can see, you can get really nice and sheer, or if you really build it up, you can get a nice opaque color base. The next one is this pot. Now I feel like this one will probably go off or dry up real quickly for me because I don't really do creative looks as often as I used to. I might have to get those like drops to kind of rehydrate, but anyway, this is a nice creamy formula. I will say though, this doesn't really perform very well with a brush unless you warm it up. Like literally I had to do this sometimes. Or just use a hairdryer if you want to be more sanitary, but I'm just using this for myself, so it's fine. This one, a little bit drier formula, obviously, because it is a cream, a little bit darker on the skin, but again, pigmentation, opacity is there, such a great formula. Now the pencils, you can use this on your eyes, you can use it anywhere on the face. I sometimes use this as a lip liner, and that's absolutely fine as well. And as you can see, the color story is quite cohesive. Obviously the liquid pigment is a little bit lighter, but you know, in terms of the pencil and the cream, very similar in terms of color opacity. And I purposefully chose these shades because I know sometimes shades like this just do not show on tan skin or deeper skin tones in general. But yeah, you're definitely going to get a nice color payoff if you use these products. To be completely honest, I have never heard of this brand Beauty Creations before until I saw a couple of my friends talk about it on social media. So I was really pleasantly surprised when I finally got my hands on them because I thought it was going to be a bit meh. But again, pigmentation, opacity, very surprised. And I believe they're under $10 or $15 each, which again is quite affordable for Australian standards. Also forgot to mention, I also like the fact that they have these 3 shades here as well. So they've got like a skin tone beige color, a white and a black, which very versatile. So obviously if you want to do your eyeliner, you can use these. You've got 3 formulas to choose from, and then obviously use that as an eyeshadow base if you have a skin tone color very similar to that. Also the white, oh so good, very pigmented as well. Again, I find that sometimes when I get a white color base, they just don't look as bright white on me. If anything, they kind of look just sheer and I just end up looking ashy. But yeah, this white is true white. If you guys would like to see these products in action, I'll have a couple of links down in the description box down for you guys. It's just on my Instagram, so feel free to check that out as well. And for those of you guys that have been following me for quite some time, hello again, welcome back. I will try to upload a few more videos here and there. I don't know how consistent I'll be on YouTube again because I don't know, I just feel like I've lost the drive. I have been convinced by a couple of people to kind of go back into it, but we'll see. But you know, if you guys still prefer my short form content, obviously I'll still be uploading shorts on here and you guys will still see me on TikTok and Instagram, so feel free to just follow me wherever. But if you guys are still here watching me, thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.